In this video, we're going to show you how we laid an EPDM rubber roof on top of our Tempere Sauna House. The Tempere is a modern / pent roof design, which has a very shallow slope front to back. For that type of roof, it's either an EPDM, easy roofing or felt. In this instance, we went for our premium EPDM rubber roofing. It's the best kind we offer for a roof like this. The very first thing we did is ensure we have all the materials required to complete the job. That's the rubber itself and the spray adhesive, and in this case also our aluminium roof trims that go around all 4 sides of the roof. The first step is to take the EPDM as it's delivered, haul it up to the top of the roof and completely unfold the rubber. We have to let it settle for about 30 minutes in its unfolded state, which will help get rid of any crinkles that have developed in its packed state. After we've waited 30 minutes for the EPDM to settle, we then start from the front or back and roll up the EPDM as a team together like you would a carpet. You would roll it all the way to the opposite side to the one you started at. Now it's time to start gluing the EPDM on top of the wooden roof. We're using the supplied spray adhesive to do so. When applying the spray adhesive, ensure that every single part of the EPDM and the wooden roof underneath has a light coating of the glue applied. Now unroll the EPDM evenly together, ensuring that every part of the EPDM and roof has a coating of the spray adhesive. Continue this process all the way down the roof until you reach the opposite side. When you get to the bottom of the roof, you may need to then hop onto the EPDM that you've just laid to then apply adhesive and roll the rest of the rubber to the edge of the roof. With the bulk of the roof now glued into place, you then need to go up the 2 sides to ensure that contact adhesive has been applied all the way up to the edge and slightly over. You can then fold the EPDM up and then down the other side of the roof. Once you're happy, the rubber is completely glued down, then it's time to start fitting the roof trims. As I said, in this case, we've used our aluminium roof trims for all 4 sides. You can opt for timber. The process is fairly similar. The roof trims we supply arrive in standard 2.5 meter lengths, so you will often have to cut these down on site to fit the roof that you're building. Once the roof trims are fitted, the very final thing you need to do is trim any excess of the EPDM that's underhanging the trims on the outside of the 4 walls. With the trims installed, grab a Stanley knife and trim any excess of the EPDM left over.